Okay, now coming to the question number 29. See, there is some relationship between this 1 and 2 figure, and we have to establish the same relationship between third and fourth figure. Now, check what relationship is there between first and second. Now, see this there are three elements 1, 2 and 3, and check this third element is taking the place of the first element in the figure 2. In the same way, this first element is taking the place of second figure in the figure number 2. In the same way, second element is taking the place of third element in the figure second. I mean to say second. Now, this is the position they are taking, and what rotation they are following. Look here, they are following, see, this first uh, this first element is rotating 40, this is 45 degrees, okay, like this it has become like this, so it is 45 degree, and this triangle is rotating towards 90 degree, okay. Check here, this is 90 or not? Yes, this is 90 degree. And let us check once, this is like it has become like this, it is 90 degree. And the third element, it is rotating how much degree? Let us check, like here to here. So this one was 45, this is 45, and this is 90, so it will be 135 degrees. So this third element is rotating 135 degrees, okay. And which direction? It is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise. This is rotating also in anti-clockwise, and this triangle is rotating clockwise only. Now check once again here. So first of all, this third element will take the place of first element, okay, and it will rotate 135 degrees. So how it will rotate? Let us check. It will rotate 135 degrees and take this position, so it will be like this, okay, it will be like this. And this first element is taking the place of second element, so it will be like this, arrow will be like this, and the triangle will be here, and it will be like this, okay. Now checking the correct option, so the correct option we will be getting is answer B, option B, okay. Now moving further, so these are the similar kind of questions. Now taking this question number 32, okay, so find out the relation between this 1 and 2 figure, okay. It will be, see, it is making a mirror image, okay, yes or no? Yes, okay. Now, and the element which to the left was upside, okay, so it will be downside in the second one, and at the right hand side it will be down, so in the figure number 2 it is changing to upward. So the same establishment or relationship we have to establish. So the mirror image will be like this. Center element is mirror image, yes, it is like this, okay. And this element towards the left is towards downside, so it will be towards up here. And this, the right element, which is circle kind of thing, it will be like this, okay. So the correct option for this question is option B. This is the correct option. Now moving further to the last question of this exercise we will be doing is this question number 35, okay. So here again we have three elements, and we have to find out which kind of rotation or which kind of movement they are doing. So let us check this. First, this center element of the first figure is rotating 45 degrees like this. Is it? Yes, it is like 45-degree rotation. And this left upward element is going towards the right hand side, okay, and it is rotating 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction, 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction, okay. Now see, this this element, okay, moving towards the left hand side in the second figure. Compare it, please compare it, okay, from here to here. Okay, now which kind of rotation? It is rotating from like this to like this, means 90 degrees anti-clockwise. The same thing will be followed in the question in the third figure, and you can check. Okay, this will rotate, this center element will rotate, it is 40 rotating 45 degree. Yes, it will be like this, some kind like this. Yes, okay, and this element will move here. Okay, so it will come here, and how much it will rotate? It will rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So it will be at it will be like this, it will be like this, and this element is rotating here. Okay, and again it is rotating kind of, it is rotating in 90 degrees, it is rotating 90 degrees. Okay, and in which direction it is rotating? It is also rotating anti-clockwise. Okay, so the correct option you can see here will be option number D. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you.